Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your bootable pen drive to the normal pen drive. So don't worry, I won't be using any third-party app. It is a very easy way to revert the pen drive. So let's get started. So for that, just search for command prompt, that is cmd, and just click on run as administrator and click on yes. Type disk part, click on enter, and type another command, that is list disk. It will show the available disk, and here you can see there are 3 disks in my laptop. Now you need to select the disks you want to format. So here you can see that is 931, that is 931 GB, that is my own disk, and the another one is 223 that I have split it from the local disk C. So let's move on to the third option, that is disk 2. So type select, and that is disk 2. So here you can see it says that disk 2 is now selected. So now type clean. Now you need to type the another command, that is create partition primary. Click on enter. Now just type select partition 1, then type another command, that is format fs equals fat32 space week. Click on enter. So once all the command is completed, now you need to reinsert your pen drive. So now here you can see your drive is all ready to use, back to normal. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.